AddCAD has a drawing method for the roofs that is very flexible and intuitive. Some commands allow you to design a set of standard pitch roofs. Let's create a pavilion roof. In the dialog box, we write the gutter level and opt for the direct drawing of the dashed line. We leave by clicking the External button that allows us to select the external perimeter of the building. Here is the roof. Using the Layer command, let's have a look at the layers generated during the roof creation. We can see that different layers have been generated for the upper, side and bottom surfaces. This is very useful to obtain shadowed and rendering views. Let's now go to the top view and see an example using the individual roof slab generator. In the dialog box, among other things, you can choose whether to use a predetermined slope or if you want to specify the slab plane by indicating 3 points not aligned in the space. We then indicate the 4 points that define the rectangular area to be covered. To the second question about the holes in the slab, we reply with Enter, as we are not interested in inserting holes. Instead, we specify the 2 gutter points. We do this using the coordinates filter mechanism that allows us to specify the XY value as the building edges and manually insert the Z coordinates beneath the roof, in this case 6 meters. In the isometric 3D view, we can see our roof slab, and we generate the wall below too. We now use another command that allows us to generate 2 or 4 sides of a gable roof. In this example, we want to create also the front slabs and set as the design value their width to be 6 meters. As you can see, you just need to specify the 3 points that define the width and depth of the coverage. In the isometric view, we can see the result better. Suppose we want to make some changes to the coverage. The Edit Slabs command allows us to do this very easily. For instance, we want to change the slope of the left slab. We specify the new slope and click Change Slope. We are asked for the point that we don't want to move. At this stage, we want to realign the watersheds and so redefine the plan of the front slabs. Still using the Edit Slabs command, we choose Move Vertex 3D. We want the first 2 points to be removable. We will move the third from its current position so as to coincide with the vertex of the previously changed slab. To do this, we use the Endpoint Object slab. We're now going to insert a hole in the roof for a terrace. In the Edit Slabs dialog box, we click Add Openings. As we know, you can proceed in various ways to indicate a hole. We use the Contour option that allows us to select the polyline in the drawing. We now want to show how, by shifting and adding vertices, you can change the coverage area. The command to do this is Edit Roof P. On the lower slab, we only want to enlarge the overhang of the eaves. We only need to simply select the bottom vertices and move them to the desired position. In the left front slab, we want to create an overhang to cover the balcony area. Without leaving the command, we use Change to select the new slab on which to work. With the Insert option, we are going to insert new vertices and place them in an appropriate way in order to change the pitch. To select the sides where a new vertex has to be added, you should use the Near Object snap. The isometric view shows us the completed project with all the changes. The lines needed to indicate the new area to be covered may be deleted. As a final changing example, we want to show a typical problem that arises in the creation of a certain type of skylight. The problem is solved with a conjunction of a number of slabs. It is therefore necessary to have firstly generated a secondary roof next to the main slab. The command is J3 slabs, which asks you firstly to select the main connection slab and then the sides of the two secondary slabs to be joined to the main one. The result is what we now see on screen.